Hello friends, on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove password on Poco phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here firstly, you can see the setting. You have to move on the setting. When you have been moved on the setting, from here you can scroll on the down. You just keep scrolling, and here you can see on down the password and security option. So friends, here you have to tap on the password and security. When you click on the password and security, here you can see the screen lock option. So if you want to remove the screen lock, you just tap on the if you want to remove the password, you have to move on the screen lock. Inside the screen lock, you have to confirm the password. Okay, so let's confirm the password that you set on your screen lock. Then here just click on the next option. After that, if you want to remove the password, pattern lock, pin lock, fingerprint lock, face lock, any lock, okay, you want to remove, you just follow these steps. Okay, what you need to do is that here you can see the turn off screen lock option. You just need to click on turn off screen lock. After that, here it says after you turn off your lock screen, password, recorded fingerprints and face data will be deleted. You won't be able to unlock the device using your face or fingerprints. Okay, so just click on OK, and here your password will be removed successfully. Okay, if you set your fingerprint lock, it will also be removed. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you loved the video, like the video, share the video and subscribe to the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.